Hello guys, today we're going to show you how to activate the Hunter Pro and the Scorpion 2. First we're going to activate the Hunter Pro. So this device is running Android 14 without any root. So if I go to software information, you can see Android 14. So the first thing you need to do is activate developer options, which you can do by tapping on build number 4 or 5 times, and it should say developer options enabled. Go to developer options, turn on the following settings: USB debugging, okay, disable ATP authorization timeout, allow screen overlays, tethering hardware acceleration, standard limit to at most 4 process, force allow apps on external, and force activities to be resizable. After you've turned all of them on, you have to have the apps installed, the Gamwing Gaming and Gamwing Gaming 2, depending on which device you use. So for the Hunter Pro, we use the Gamwing Gaming. So I'm going to open this up. And it's going to say something like this, and you have to activate and give it permissions. So first we're going to give it the permissions. So go to grant, and it should be green. If it's not green, you just go here and turn off power savings, which it's enabled by default. So run in background, grant, allow, read file, allow, grant, allow, and overlay permission, grant, turn it on. So it should all be green. Now it's going to say activation. So to activate, you need to plug in a USB on here, the key sign to activate it, which I'm going to do now. So I've plugged in the USB cable, which I'm gonna plug it in to the tab here, plugging it in. After you plug it in, it's gonna say allow USB debugging. We just ticked on allow, always allow. Now it might come again, just say the same thing, allow. Now you have to go to activate, and it should all be on, and on the last one you just press activate, allow, and it should say activating. Now, if it disappears, you have to go back to developer options, and for the background thing, at most 4 process, set it to standard, and then at most 4 process again. So once it's activated, it's gonna go away, and now I'm gonna show you how to plug it in. So now I'm just gonna take the cable here and plug this here. And it's gonna say allow Gamwing to access. You press OK, and you should see the device getting detected. I'm gonna turn on PUBG Mobile, and the mouse is working. So editor, everything is here. So as you can see, it's activated, it's showing. Keyboard and mouse is also working, as well as the mouse is also working. Okay, now I'm gonna go over to the Scorpion 2. Okay, I've plugged in the cable for Scorpion 2. This is the cable. So for Scorpion 2, it uses Gamwing Gaming 2. So I'm gonna open this up, and it's gonna say something like allow debugging. Just press allow, and you have to grant the permissions. Allow, then allow. Now, as I've already activated it first time using the Hunter Pro, I don't need to do the activation again. I just have to plug this in. And it should say allow gaming access. Just press OK, and it should be activated, and you have access. Let's launch it. And yeah, it's working. So I've plugged in all the mouse and keyboard settings, and it's working. So that's how I activate my devices on Android 14 and 13 without any root.